one more building to demolish. Everyone stay back. 5, 4, 3. Oh, Jake, what are you doing? Move back. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, team, now let's clean up and grade the ground.
Ooh, this is hard work, Wayne.
That's right. Who says being a builder is easy? Oh, hi. My name is Wayne. I guess you're new here, just like Jake. Today, we're building a new school.
Hello, it's nice to meet you. My name is Jake. The school will be amazing. It'll be 3 stories high and...
Okay, guys, no time for chit-chat. Let's get to work. Now we're going to do the foundation. Every good building starts with a solid foundation. Okay, Jake, we need a lot of gravel. Gravel provides a solid foundation for concrete since it can be compacted. It also improves drainage because it prevents water from pooling beneath concrete.
Wayne, what do these rebars do? I thought the concrete would be very hard once it solidifies.
The rebar's primary purpose is to increase the tensile strength of the concrete, helping it to resist cracking and breaking. Okay, I'm calling Kay. She's at the concrete plant right now. We'll need a lot of concrete for this foundation.
Hello, Wayne. And hello, my friends.
Hello, Kay. We need a lot of concrete. We're ready to pour.
No problem. I'm currently at the stationary concrete batching plant.
Here is where they combine all the ingredients, including water, on site. Aggregates and sand gravel must be fed into individual feeder bins. After measuring, the aggregate is discharged to the hopper by a belt conveyor. Cement and fly ash are stored in these silos. Then, a precisely measured amount of fly ash and cement is added into the hopper. And, of course, water is also added. After the mixing is complete, we put the finished concrete into the concrete mixer truck. Now, these trucks are heading your way.
Well done. Now we need to wait for the concrete to dry, and we'll start installing prefabricated walls.
Hi guys, today I am at the Precast Concrete Factory. Here, they manufacture concrete walls and ceiling panels. A conveyor delivers the minerals to a huge mixer to create a precast mixture. Next, the mixture is poured into a wooden or steel mold with a wire mesh or rebar. It is cured in a controlled environment, usually here at the plant. Once finished, the precast concrete is transported to a construction site and put into place.
So get ready, crew. The precast panels are coming to you.
Okay, boys, let's install the walls and ceilings. Oh no, what is he doing? You're not supposed to be under the crane, Jake. Jake! Jake! Move! Move! Jake! Move! Jake!
Thank you, Wayne. I'm very sorry.
Please, never stand under any crane, especially when it's lifting a load.
Hi guys, I'm currently at the foundry. Foundries are factories where castings are produced by melting metal, pouring the liquid metal into the mold, and then allowing the metal to cool and solidify. Here, they melt mostly scrap metal. This facility is also equipped with rolling mill machines. These machines turn a piece of steel into H and I beams, which you'll need for your roof and columns. They're coming your way.
Okay, Jake, the beams are here. If you look at the blueprint, you'll see that the left and right wings of the building will be made out of metal beams in large windows. This will be a gym and a cafeteria. First, we're going to install I-beam columns. They will be attached to anchor bolts, and they'll hold all the other roof beams and the metal roof. Some beams will be welded.
Oh, I love welding. It's time for the roofing.
That's right. The left and right wings of the building will have a metal roof. The main building will have a flat bitumen roof. Kay, I just got a message that you're inside a roof factory. Please explain to us how they make metal roof panels.
Hi, guys. This plant purchases 5-ton steel coils from the steel plant. The steel coils are then loaded onto the uncoiler. This computer is programmed to cut the metal sheets into a specific length. Next, the sheets are fed through the roll-forming machine to give the metal its final shape. This batch is on its way to you, Wayne and Jake.
Thank you, Kay. Okay, Jake, you're going to help with the metal roof. My other guys will be installing a flat bitumen roof.
What's a bitumen roof?
Modified bitumen, or MB roofing, is an asphalt-based roof designed for buildings with low slope or flat roof structures. Let's get to work. Well done! Tomorrow, we're painting the outside of the building, then installing the windows.
Time for the windows. Oh! Look out!
Well, one window is down. It's okay. Sometimes this happens during an installation. The building's exterior is finished. Tomorrow, plumbers and electricians are coming to install sinks, faucets, toilets, outlets, and lights. After they're finished, more workers will be installing doors, floors, painting, and everything else.
What about the road?
You're right, Jake. Tomorrow, we're laying asphalt and then installing landscaping and street lights. Okay, Jake, there are 3 main stages of paving: removal, grading, and paving. The first step is to remove existing asphalt, which will be recycled in the future. Since this is a new construction, we're skipping straight to step number 2, grading. Grading is very important in ensuring that the asphalt has a consistent, well-compacted, granular base that matches the desired contour of the final surface. And finally, paving. That's when the asphalt is placed and then compacted using a heavy roller, which is driven over the asphalt.
The paving crew is finished. The last thing left to do is landscaping.
Hi, guys.
We're almost finished.
Great! I'm currently at the nursery where they grow small trees, shrubs, and herbaceous plants usually destined for sales in garden centers. They also grow bigger trees and bushes for landscaping projects like yours. Here, they also have a sod farm. Sod farms grow their sod from high-quality seed blends. Once the seeds are planted, it can take anywhere from 10 months to 2 years to cultivate turf before it is ready for harvest. The main advantage of a sod lawn is that it is an instant lawn. You don't have to wait for the grass to grow.
Thank you, Kay, for all your hard work. Well, Jake, I think we're finished. I'm very proud of all your hard work.
Thank you, Wayne. It was quite a lesson to learn how construction works.
And thank you, too. As you can see, building isn't easy, but it's very rewarding. Now we have a brand new school for children to enjoy.